In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute a Udemy video in just 5 minutes. If you've ever found yourself ready to dive into a Udemy course only to be met with silence, don't worry, you're not alone. Whether you're here to brush up on some skills or learn something entirely new, sound is essential, and I'm here to guide you through the simple steps to getting your audio back on track. First things first, let's get logged into your Udemy account. If you're not logged in already, head over to the top right corner of the Udemy homepage. Here you'll see a login option waiting for you. Clicking on it will begin the login process, but instead of entering your email and password the traditional way, let's use the quicker method by utilizing the Google Sign It In option. Once you click on Login, you'll find yourself faced with various sign-in methods. Look for the Google icon and give that a click. It's a fast and secure way to log into your account, especially if you're someone who juggles many passwords. Now you should see a list of Google accounts. Select the one associated with your Udemy account. This step is crucial because it's how Udemy identifies you and pulls up your personalized content, including the courses you've enrolled in. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to where your courses are housed. Look for the My Learning section on Udemy's homepage. This is essentially your dashboard for all the courses you're enrolled in, giving you quick access to start learning. Click on My Learning, and you'll be taken straight to a list showcasing all the courses you've signed up for. Find the course where you're experiencing the audio issue. This could be a new course you've just started, or perhaps one you're revisiting. Once you've located the course, click on it to proceed. This will take you right into the course content, where you'll see the video player among other course materials. Here's where we address the main event, unmuting your video. On the video player, locate the unmute button. This is typically found in the bottom left corner, symbolized by a speaker icon. If the video is playing but you're greeting with silence, it's likely that the video is muted. Simply click the unmute button and you should start hearing the course audio loud and clear. However, if the video was already unmuted and there's still no sound, there are a couple of quick checks you can do. First, ensure your device's volume is turned up. It's an obvious but often overlooked step. Secondly, if you're using headphones or external speakers, make sure they're properly connected and functioning. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the ones that work, and there you have it, a swift journey from silence to sound on Udemy. Remember, learning online is all about making the experience as smooth as possible for yourself, and being able to hear your course content is a big part of that. If you ever find yourself muted again, just revisit these steps, and you'll be back on track in no time. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Learning on Udemy is a fantastic way to acquire new skills or enhance existing ones, and now that you know how to ensure the sound is on, there's nothing stopping you from making the most out of your courses. Happy learning, and don't hesitate to revisit this guide whenever you need a quick audio fix on Udemy.